Hi, I am really excited today to show you this Swift bead. I saw this Swift bead that's made by Clover at Creativation in January, and I was amazed when I saw it, and I was just really excited to get a sample myself and give it a go. So what I want to show you here is the package comes with 2 beading needles in it. And I don't know if we can get in close enough here to see what's happening, but on the end of the needle there, I think you can see it, there is a hook, and that's what grabs the beads. Then the I guess I would call it the body of the needle is a spiral, and so that holds on to the beads. And then the end, it gives you a really nice opening to thread your thread on there. So I've grabbed a piece of thread to easily put into the needle, and I'm just going to let it hang like so. And then I have my tube of beads here. The nice thing about this is that you don't have to dump them out on your project. You can just drop this into the bead tube, and you can see it picks up your beads and with that hook. So you can count off how many you need for your project easily, and then just slide them down the needle and onto the thread. Now, I would recommend that if you have a certain number and you get extra on there, so I'm just going to put some more on here to show what I'm explaining. Okay, so I have 3 more than I need, or 2 more than I need. I don't want to go backwards on that hook because that will break it. What I want to do is remove my thread from the needle. I can always easily rethread it. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my thread here, unhook it from the needle, slide those beads off, and put them back into the tube. Okay, so that's easily how, and I just spilled all of my beads. So that just shows you how you can easily thread beads. Now I'm going to talk about the package itself. It comes with 2 bead needles. It also has a bit of instruction here, which I'll read through for you. It says, put a string through the needle, move the needle up and down, pull the string through the bead, and then pulling out beads from the needle tip may damage the needle, and that's what I showed you. So it comes, so what it's showing you here is that you don't want to go back and feed it through the head of the needle. It's also, that hook isn't necessarily sharp, but it can grab you if you run your finger along it the wrong way. So you want to be careful of that. The package comes with 2 needles in it. And they are for quick beading. So you no longer have to spill out and count your beads. You can just add them onto your needle, count off the amount that you need. And I will link to the original video that I did for the Swift bead at Creativation, where they were demoing it. And I hope you enjoyed this. I've been so looking forward to this product, and I know that it's going to really help me out in the future with all of my jewelry making.